Hello guys. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we shall be discussing the concept of remission of duties or taxes on export product. Need of RoDTEP scheme. The US had challenged India's key export subsidy schemes in the WTO, World Trade Organization, claiming them to harm the American workers. A dispute panel in the WTO ruled against India, stating that the export subsidy programs that were provided by the Government of India violated the provisions of the trade body's norms. The panel further recommended that the export subsidy programs be withdrawn. This led to the birth of the RoDTEP scheme, so as to ensure that India stays WTO compliant. RoDTEP. The Indian government announced a new WTO compliant scheme called Remission of Duties or Taxes on Export Product, RoDTEP, which replaced MEIS, starting 1 January 2021. RoDTEP allows reimbursement of all embedded taxes including local levies paid on inputs by exporters, which are not exempted or refunded under any other existing scheme. Who is eligible? The scheme will enclose all sectors, including textiles, with priority given to labor-intensive sectors, which are enjoying benefits under MEIS scheme at 2%, 3% or 5% of the export value from 1 January 2021. Both merchant exporters and manufacturer exporters are eligible. CES units and AU units are also eligible to claim benefits. There is no minimum turnover criteria to claim RoDTEP. Goods exported through e-commerce platforms via courier are also eligible. Country of origin of the exported products should be India. Re-exported products are not eligible. Key features: remission of taxes or duties or levies, automated refund system, speedy clearance through digitalization, scheme for all sectors. Key benefits: being a member of WTO and in compliance with WTO trade norms, RoDTEP scheme can provide a seamless flow of economic benefit from the government. In the existing schemes, certain taxes, such as state taxes on power, oil, water and education cess, are not included. Under RoDTEP, such taxes are also proposed to be included in the indicative list, making the scheme exhaustive. It will add more competitiveness in the foreign markets, with assured duty benefits by GOI. Being more compliant and transparent with WTO norms, it will help exporters meet international standards and boost business growth. Availing benefits under RoDTEP scheme. The iSgate portal, Indian Customs Electronic Gateway, will contain the details regarding the credits availed by the exporter. At the port, the exporter must indicate in the shipping bill the details regarding the claim of the RoDTEP benefit, with regard to a particular item of export, and generate a credit script for it. These credit scripts are then used to pay basic customs duties, claim rebates, or can be transferred to other importers, as the case may be. The process for the generation and claiming of scripts under the RoDTEP scheme are as follows. The exporter should make a declaration of the claim for RoDTEP in the shipping bill. Once the Export General Manifest (EGM) is filed, the claim will be processed by the customs. After processing the claim, a scroll with all individual shipping bills for the admissible amount will be generated and available in the user's account at iSgate portal. The exporter should log into the iSgate portal and create a RoDTEP credit ledger account. After the RoDTEP credit ledger account is created, the exporters can log into their accounts and generate scripts by selecting the relevant shipping bills. Once the scripts are generated, the refund will be credited and reflected in the exporter's ledger account, and will be available for utilization in payment of the eligible duties and during imports, or for transfer to any other importers. Currently, the rate of duty of remission for the products under RoDTEP scheme is not yet notified by the Government of India. Comparison between RoDTEP and MEIS. Aspect: incentive scheme. In MEIS, incentive on exports of goods in form of transferable scripts. In RoDTEP, Refund of indirect taxes on inputs used in the manufacture of exported product that are not being currently reimbursed in any other existing schemes. WTO compliant. In MEIS. Non-compliant with WTO trade norms. In RoDTEP. Compliant with WTO trade norms. Incentive. In MEIS. 2 to 5% of realized FOB value of exports in free foreign exchange or FOB value of exports as per shipping bill, whichever is lower. In RoDTEP. Product-based percent way of reward to be notified. Mode. In MEIS. Issued in the form of transferable scripts physical copy. In RoDTEP. To be issued in the form of transferable duty credit or electronic script, which will be maintained in electronic ledger. Transferable. In MEIS. Transferable in open market. In RoDTEP. Transferable in open market. WTO prohibits any direct subsidies to a firm or industry, which are contingent upon export performance. In MEIS, the basic of calculation of benefits was the FOB value of the export product, thereby making it non-compliant to WTO. WTO does not put any restriction on remission, or rebate of duties, and taxes, which have been built, in cost of the exported products. We hope you have enjoyed the video. In case you like the video, press on subscribe button, and click the bell icon. For personalized query, you may reach out to us at info@baglobal.in.